After the air compressor is in place, connect the air duct. Then connect the wires. Introduce the wires from the wire inlet. Connect to the terminal, tighten the screws, and cover the terminal cover. There are three-phase electricity and single-phase electricity respectively. Notice, it is not recommended to use a plug. Simply plug it into a socket. According to the local power supply, equip the air compressor with a separate distribution box and distribution switch, and select matching cables. After power unknown, do not start the air compressor. First check whether the power supply is abnormal on the control panel. If an alarm is triggered and the red word phase run is displayed, it means that the power cord is connected incorrectly. Two of the three wires can be swapped. If it is a 4-in-1 VTCM model, refrigerator dryer needs to be connected to single-phase electricity. The dryer drain pipe is fixed and connected to the drain pipe. The pipe filter is installed with an automatic drainer. Mechanical or electronic, and the drain pipe is connected. The gas tank drain outlet is installed with an automatic drainer, and the drain pipe is connected. Language settings, control panel configurations vary across different brands to obtain a specific operational documentation for your equipment. Kindly reach out to us. Enter the menu user settings and set the constant pressure, loading pressure, and unloading pressure according to the usage. Note, the factory settings are pre-configured for optimal performance. Do not alter the parameters without authorization. For any necessary adjustments, please contact our technical team. Start the air dryer first. There is a 3-minute delay before starting machine. The dryer must be started for more than 5 minutes before starting the air compressor. Start the air compressor and run it normally. Check whether the oil level is before the two red lines, which is the normal oil level. Check whether there is any leakage at each internal joint, and check whether the loading pressure and unloading pressure are normal. Please operate the air compressor according to the operating procedure to avoid damage to the equipment. If the operation is not carried out according to the procedures and the equipment is damaged, our company will not be responsible.